My dear students of class 5A, welcome to my GK class. Today's discussion, lesson, as I mentioned, lesson number 40, topic one word. Today, I shall clarify this lesson with, I shall also introduce the concepts of our country, different types of concepts of a country, of the countries of the world. For example, one word which substitutes are those words which could, replace a sentence or phrase without creating any ambiguity in the meaning of sentence. That means the meaning will be same and the meaning of that particular sentence will be relevant, so that people can understand what is the exact meaning of this line or of these sentences. I would include some sentences in the board one by one, and I shall also mention the name of the sentences. What is the names of the sentences? I shall one by one write in the board. So, and one word substitutes are used to pressure the beauty of language without compromising the meaning. That one which I write in the board will be meaningful. Now I am writing the sentences and at the same time its answers. Government by the people. Government by the people. What is the name of it? Government by the people. What is the name of these sentences? Government by the people. The concept is democracy. Democracy. Government by the people is known as democracy. That means in our country, in all the countries of the world where government works for the people, government is formed by the people, government is formed for certain periods, and people take part in choosing their representatives who later become the part of the government. This system is known as democracy. Government by the people is known as democracy. Government by a king or a queen. Government by a king or a queen. Government by a king or queen. That is, what is the name of it? The government which runs with the government which runs by means of the rules of kings and queens. This government is known as monarchy. Monarchy. The government by a king or queen is known as monarchy. And next one, government by the officials. Government by the officials. Government by the officials. Government by the officials. What is the name of it? Government by the officials. Bureaucracy. 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 Bureau. Bureaucracy. Cracy. Cracy. Bureaucracy. Government by the officials. Bureaucracy. So a government which runs with the help of officials. The government by the officials known as bureaucracy. The next one, Jai. Government by the nobles. Government by the nobles. What is the meaning of it? Government by the nobles. Government by the nobles, that is aristocracy. Aristocracy. Government by the nobles. Government by the nobles is known as aristocracy, where all aristocratic people take part in running the government. This government runs with the help of the aristocrats. Government by the nobles, aristocracy. That all noble peoples are there, not highly qualified people, nobles, prosperous people of our country. They generally take part, they form the government. This government runs with the help of these nobles, known as aristocracy. The next one, an object through which light can pass. What is it? An object through which light can pass. That is transparent. Transparent. An object through which light can pass is known as transparent. Transparent. An object through which light can pass is known as transparent. Another point. One who is powerful. One who is powerful. What is it? One who is powerful. Omnipotent. One who is powerful. One who is powerful. Who is powerful is omnipotent. One who is all powerful, not powerful. One who is all powerful is known as omnipotent, like the Almighty God. He is all powerful, so he is also known as omnipotent. God is omnipotent because God is all powerful. That's why he is omnipotent. And next one. One who is present everywhere. 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 That is omnipresent. One who is present everywhere. That is omnipresent. Omnipresent. The next one. One who knows everything. One who knows everything. One who knows everything. That is omniscient. 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 One who knows everything. That is omniscient. One who knows everything. That is omniscient. The next one, last one. One who can easily be deceived. One who can easily be deceived. One who can easily be deceived. That is gullible. One who can easily be deceived. That is gullible. One who can be easily deceived. That is gullible. So these are the sentences having the meanings of this. So these are the sentences of meaningful words I taught you. For example, one who is all powerful is known as omnipotent. One who presents everywhere is known as omniscient. Like that. So these are the sentences you have to learn properly. First you read out the sentences one by one and learn its answers, and then close your book, and without watching the book you allow another one to ask you the questions, and that person will ask you question and you will answer it. By this way all the answers you will be able to learn properly. Thank you.